Ever and a never healthy thick one. These are crazy. It's definitely a craft to this. Like, ain't anybody just can't do it. Trials and tribulations. You gonna try it and you gonna mess up a few times before you get it right. It's like anything. Especially when you're going outside. Indoor, you got a little bit more control. Outside, you know, you're dealing with the elements, bugs. Like, it's these little worms they get in here. And if you don't catch them early, they'll mess your whole plan up. So constantly, you gotta be looking for them. I'll be out here with my glasses on, and you'll find them. But if they allowed to get big in there, they eat off the bud, and they actually turn green. Look just like the bud, look just like the plant. They start off real gray and brownish, then they end up green because all they're doing is eating up all of the green on here, whatever it is, and they turn green when they get big. And by the time you catch them, the whole bud be brown because they done ate it all. I might see one in here. If I see one, I'm gonna show y'all. You gotta look for them. But like I'm telling you, this joint heavy in my hand. I ain't gonna lie, heavy. And it ain't got no water in it because I ain't been feeding them, even though it rained a little bit. This thing is just pure weight. Pure weight. I'm in it. Leaves fall right in. I keep them all. Alright. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. I already know what I'm gonna call my that one of worms. No. The other one I'm gonna call the Poogie Grip. That's my pop name, the Poogie Grip. That's what I'm gonna call that. That was a little worm right there. I got him off. They on here now. This right here, this gonna be called the High Diesel. Look at that. Lord have mercy, that joint heavy. All herbs, goodness. I got plenty more. Do another one. This shit heavy too. These bags might be too small. Matter of fact. But yeah, I'm gonna